Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with making the entry into the gum using the water lathe, and it makes a popping noise. Pretty much right in the center of the ridge there, a little bit slanted one way or the other. Bother, you shouldn't feel a thing. If something bothers you though, you can raise your hand, stop me anytime, raise your left hand. Okay, so we've made a ring there. Basically where it goes, going back in with a tool and see if it's ready to come out. It may not be just yet. Nope. But you see what a nice incision that laser made. Laser precise. Here we go. Good. So it just comes off in a round piece, just like you took a cork out of a bottle. And there it is. Okay.